Hi Gemini, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your monthly forecast for April 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon or rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. To hear monthly updates and more oracle readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Hotels. So I have 4 cards laid out here which will highlight the messages for April 2021. The first card is reflecting upon the past influences affecting this month. Second card is the main theme for April 2021. Third card highlights the roadblocks you may face during this month. Fourth card is possibilities and opportunities coming your way. I will also be taking out one more guidance card from this oracle deck placed over here. So let's start your reading. So we have Moon in the position of past influences. We have Temperance as main theme for this month. We have Ten of Swords in the position of roadblocks. And we have Three of Swords in the position of possibilities. So let's see what are the messages for you this month. With Moon placed over here in the position of past influence, there were some big secrets revealed recently that were not easy to deal with. Some of you may be feeling crushed by a huge disappointment. Someone or something you counted on has let you down, and you may be feeling completely devastated. You may have been disillusioned by others' actions or words. For those who are in a relationship or married, some of you may feel that happy couple probably is just an illusion. There could be deceit, or you may have discovered something really unexpected about your partner. At work, I see office politics, which have really disappointed you. Someone you would have really trusted would have betrayed you, or probably spreading malicious gossip behind your back. Having said that, you might also be feeling insecure about something or someone. So let's move to the next card, which is the main theme for this month, and we have Temperance over here. With Temperance, you just need to hang in there a little bit longer. Your troubles are about to come to an end, and you would be able to reach that balance and the harmony that you are wanting to achieve. Work on wellness and balance in your life, whether it is in your relationships, career, or any other aspect of your life. If you are in a relationship, the trick is to be mature and more understanding and have a strong sense of purpose of why are you in the relationship and what would you want out of the relationship. This will just help you focus on what are the deal breakers, and you are not getting impacted by every little noise and chaos that is happening in your relationship. You may need to work on to strike balance and harmony in your relationship. So think about, are there more ways in which you can approach your relationship with more calm, kindness and generosity? Or maybe there's not enough communication between the two of you. Maybe you are not exploring different aspects of each other's lives. Temperance card over here counsels you to find that middle path. Temperance is a healing card. So if you are able to strike that harmony and balance, you would be able to survive a rough patch. If you're single, you may meet someone of Sagittarius sign while traveling or on a holiday. This person will compliment you in many ways, and you may develop a strong bond very soon. However, don't jump too soon and allow things to grow organically. At work front, you will have to be patient to attain your career goals. Allow things to happen and be consistent in your efforts. Let's move to what are the roadblocks you may face this month. We have 10 of Swords here. You would feel you've hit the rock bottom. You may be feeling very low and hopeless. This is generally not something that has happened to you overnight, but rather it's been an accumulation of stress, problems, conflicts, and overthinking. Ten of Swords is also warning you against betrayal and deceit. Betrayal could come from close quarters or from people you thought you could trust. It could also mean being harassed or bullied. Some could be allowing others to walk all over them, leaving their footprints on their back. It is time to put an end to such a treatment and stand up for yourself by speaking out and objecting what is not okay with you. You may feel you have fallen into a black hole and do not know or have the energy to get out of it. But then Ten of Swords also brings hope and light out of the darkness and misery. If you notice closely the contrast between the dawn breaking on the horizon in this card and the dark black sky is metaphorically letting you know that no matter how bad things have been for you, there is hope and the possibility of solutions to your problems. Help will come your way and you would be able to heal yourself. There is a new dawn coming. Your time of struggles is almost at an end and there is now only one way up from rock bottom. However, you cannot just lie there and expect it all to be done for you and to you. Change is needed on every level for you. So, be it old mindsets, attitudes, perceived notions about things or people that were blocking you, you have to let them go. You may have to let go of stale or unhealthy relationships, so-called friends, or a job that doesn't extend the growth that you want. Let's move to the possibilities for this month. We have Three of Swords here. With all the rejections and disappointments, you are definitely feeling hurt. But it's time to let go of the past and move on. If I reverse this card to see possibilities, the swords over here begin to fall, allowing much needed healing to take place. If you've been in a troubled relationship with family, partner, or friend, things will begin to settle. If you are in a rocky marriage, things start to stabilize. Communication becomes the key. You and your partner are able to communicate your needs, likes and dislikes to each other. At work, you may see people you are in conflict with, ready to put their cards on the table and ready to resolve the matter. There has to be a middle path taken and compromise would be needed from both the sides. For some, an unhappy working environment can change for the better due to the departure of a troublemaker or arrival of someone who could make things better for you. Some of you may escape the scene as you may just get another opportunity. With Three of Swords, it also means some of you may be holding your grief, past hurt, suppressing your feelings and not allowing yourself to heal. This can result in depression, it could impact your health, or it could even lead to a nervous breakdown. Some of you may feel lonely and may cut off from the normal life. Take the rest that you would want. However, give yourself and others another chance. Probably for some, trust may have been broken. However, one needs to move on and be positive. Let's take out another card from this oracle deck. We have Solitude over here. So move away from the chatter and chaos to get a fresh perspective. Take a step back and be still. No matter what is happening around you, find peace within yourself. And once you would be able to find that balance and harmony within yourself, you would be able to fight the world or deal with the situations and circumstances in a much better way and come out to be more successful. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Hotels for updates. Keep watching. Much love.